Yo, what's happening guys? Welcome back to Tokimotive. Alright, so this video, Burto and I, we inspect the billet oil pump, see what the hell's going on with it, make sure there's no damage, which, spoiler alert, things do not look great. But, I'll let you guys enjoy the ride for that one because I'm laughing my ass off while trying to edit it. But anyways, I'm going to let you guys enjoy that. Stay tuned to the end because there's a big update about what's happening with this, what's good, what's not, and what the hell the new plan is. Do you remember how I said I need something to go right on this engine build, on this car? Nah, not that lucky. Anyways guys, enjoy the video, talk to you at the end.
Broken down. Shit. Well, I feel like that's the bit you're meant to be holding for the do something about. Oh, maybe that is. I don't know.
No,
what is
that's a big fucking handle right there.
What is the point of the spinning?
I don't fucking know what the spinning is.
I have an old school one and you like flick it like a spank like a ratchet. Just so you know what the fuck's going on.
Yeah, well I would prefer that.
Spinny.
So, fucking, what the?
Is there instructions? In the
oh,
there you go. What's this say?
Push in, twist. Okay. Push in.
Twist.
Fuck! This is the stupidest design. Okay.
I could just pry it up with a fucking, let's snap that one off and pry it up with a screwdriver.
Let's not. Let's not. So I get a big hammer.
What are you doing? Yeah.
This is
we
my
may
favourite
not
thing.
have a fucking oil pump very soon, not gonna lie, because he's got a big dog hammer out.
It's not working, was it? You're fucking with me.
Doing shit.
Oh, is it just rounding out the screw?
Sort of.
Hang on, is that head twisting?
Yeah, bro.
I'm twisting the high tensile head. What the fuck did they do with this oil pump? I swear this fucking Ford motor's been nothing but fuck. That should be fucking going. Yes.
That's it.
Did they fucking red Loctite the car?
Actually. Some sort of Loctite on. All of the Loctite in that hole.
Oh yeah, they just that
Well,
was,
they just
you know
did
those
that.
ones where you're just like, you're trying to put a bit of Loctite on the bolt and it's just...
Oh, this is an ugga dugga engine.
Could be an ugga.
Get an ugga dugga out, an ugga dugga to cut off. No, don't do that.
Is it the head's got to be that way, or is it this
what-
has to turn that way?
No, the head, I think.
Like, you know what I mean? Is it
Yeah.
this? Does this have to go that way, or does this have to go that way?
Love me some technology.
Oh,
3 hours later.
I hate it.
Oh, it doesn't want to do anything now.
I fucking hate it.
That's what happens when you buy new shit.
Okay, hang on. Let's fucking throw that bit in this one. This one.
Yeah, what the fuck, bro? Why have we been using this modern
This
stuff?
is meant to be cheap.
Yeah, fucking cheaper the better, bro. We're in my budget building fucking ugga
Does
dugga
that fit?
engine.
Not really.
Where that's turning, bro.
Hey, we had movement. Oh yeah. Is it? No.
Yeah, it's up.
Yeah, but give it a fucking hit.
Yeah, right.
That's the money.
Just Loctite this fucking bolt and see it never take it cut apart. Yeah, look at it.
Holy-
What? Pictures on there, you can't. Wow.
Is that red?
No, it's not.
No, it's fucking red.
It is too.
It's fucking red. Who the?
How much was on that one too?
Like, I understand you don't want your oil pump to leak, but you shouldn't put fucking red Loctite on it.
This plate sits up against the fucking current.
It-
Can't come out. Some people are fucking dumb.
No wonder I couldn't fucking get it undone.
No. No droppings, it's all fucking burner. A bit warm.
Yeah. Casting a lot of fucking limit on.
You just need a...
Yes. What? Yes. What?
You just
yes,
need
isn't an answer.
Yes! You just need to buy the fucking side.
But I've already got the other one fitted to a crank. Oh fuck.
There is a lot of wear on that though, but fuck. Wow.
Holy fuck. That's probably not good, is it? See right there, that just the one little nick? The one little piece is there?
Yeah.
Wear marks?
Right.
That's because they fitted billet gears.
But they didn't
They did put a fucking collar on.
They're good.
Fuck yeah! I'll just reuse my billet gears. It'll be okay. The problem with you being here is it makes shit hard to edit because it's just you want the camera rolling just for the random shit to capture it in the moment.
Yeah, because I'm wearing
And everyone else I know, they're just like, oh no, camera.
Yeah, I think it's fine. At the end of the day, I watch myself in your videos. I'm like, oh, man, the fucking Burnout. What's going on?
Stop moving your head. It's focusing on you.
Right there. It's going to be like, wait, motherfuckers. Do you want us to build an ugga engine? And it's legitimately not even using a spanner, a fucking torque wrench. It's just a fucking ugga. Old head gasket, ugga that bitch on. Sounds like a fucking plan. And we'll even try a I was going to say latex.
Latex? We're getting fucking latex in here now. Fuck. Jesus. Like, we're friends, but there's a point.
We'll fucking become better friends, okay? Still touched your butt though.
Oh, that's fucking horrendous.
Yeah, that's weird, eh?
Let's do it. Oh, yuck. What should we be?
Like 0.23,
Right.
like roughly.
How's that fit?
I don't know if you can see down in there.
Oh,
but
yeah. Oh, yeah.
Listen, ready? It's like a fucking floppy cock in a sock, bro.
Now put the millimeter one in there.
Yeah, bruv. Shit, hang on, I'll get it out. Fucking, wait, I'll just put the fucking, here, we'll put the whole edge of this fucking thing in. There it goes. 1 millimeter. Oh, hang on.
I get it. It does go in.
1 millimeter.
Oh.
Dugga.
Fuck. Now they're out of spec.
I thought it was in there enough. So, out of spec.
Nah, around here, we measure our ring gaps in millimeters.
Like that motherfucker must have been changing oil every 3 minutes.
It did burn a little bit of oil. I will admit that. Conclusion, that oil pump, no good. Can't reuse the housing. Can't really reuse those gears. It's just going to keep chewing itself away and sending bits through the motor. Essentially, the forged motor, if it didn't fail the way it did, it would have failed potentially even worse when that oil pump shit the bed, and it would have just destroyed everything. Because it would have happened while I was like full send or mid-corner. I wouldn't have caught the oil pressure drop in time, and that would have been it. Would have been game over for the whole motor. But that is what it is. Drifting is not exactly the easiest thing on a car. Now, for this motor, I have worked out something. It was a complete waste of time, even messing with it. Not entirely. So, here's top compression ring for the new rings. This is a standard size. Now, boop, stuff that in there. That may look rough, but think about the hell this cylinder gets put through. That's going to be fine. It's not going to hurt it. So, basically, for measuring ring gap, pop your ring in close to the top, get a piston with another ring on it, push it down, that sits it flat, and you can just chill there. Now, good size ring gap for a 30. The proper tolerance for factory specs is it's 0.24 of a mil to 0.31. Got on my feeler gauge here, Let's go the higher end of the scale. Let's go 3.3 of a mil. Now, see that little dog right there? Before, the ones being Burto checked, they were the original rings from this motor, and they're way out, 1 mil, very out. That's the maximum you're meant to set ring gaps to a factory standard. Once again, floppy cock in a sock. 4.4 of a mil, that's when you need to oversize things according to Nissan specs. Again, floppy cock in a sock. 0.6, now we're starting to grab a little. So, basic conclusion to that, the ring gap, without gapping them down, is twice the limit of what you're meant to set them at, which is not good. That's well and truly in the range of going to oversized rings and pistons, which I'm not planning to go out and spend the money on oversized pistons, oversized rings, and then potentially having to take this to a shop and get the bores properly honed, bored out to match and suit, because it's likely oversized for what this is, but there's a chance it won't be oversized enough for the next size piston up. I don't want to spend that sort of money on like a stock plus bottom end setup. But here is the kicker. Remember when I pulled down the forge motor and I was not keen on the state of the pistons, everything else looked good. Burto happened to take it to a professional. Basically, my forged pistons got the all clear. Give them a clean up, some fresh rings, and send it. So, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Which means I've got to start the block prep again. I've got to prep the block that was for the forged motor because it is already oversized to suit the forged pistons. They're definitely oversized. These don't even fit properly in these balls. The outside ring of the piston grabs. So I'm going to start rebuilding the old forge block. Woo! We've come full circle and gone back around to there. But fresh JE rings or fucking whatever, I don't know what rings to get for it yet, but I'm going to work out the sizings I need and what ones to run with these pistons, get them, and rebuild the motor back forged. This will actually be more expensive to rebuild this motor now than it will be to rebuild it forged with what I've got here now that these pistons have been given an all clear. So I may as well rebuild the forged motor and then not have to worry about it. I've got everything else I need, bar rings. So I'd be kind of silly not to, which means I've got a surplus of stock 30 parts that I'm not really using, but this might get turned into an ugga engine, which concept Burto's been thrown around for a long time. Building a motor, no torque specs, no nothing, basically entirely with an ugga rattle gun, just brr, 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 brr. Just using the random leftover shit that is laying around here and whatever Burto's got sitting around his shed if I need something else, slap it all together. The ultimate full send motor. Who knows? It could be fun. You guys let me know if you want to see us build an ugga engine. An engine, no specs, nothing, thrown together with power tools and just sent until it'll either blow up and be spectacular, it either won't work at all, or it'll go fucking fantastic and it'll just be the biggest fluke full send Nissan engine that just somehow lives. Which, it's a Nissan, so who knows, it's fucking possible. Anyways guys, I'm running out of storage on this phone, so that's going to be it for this video. Next one, I'll be getting work onto the other motor, get it ready, or there is some exciting stuff coming up soon. Some of you may not like it, but I'm really excited for it, so we'll see how you guys like it, but I'm going to have a lot of fun with it. It'll be something fresh, something different, so I'm not going to leak too much about that. I'm excited to drop that video when that's all ready. Yeah, exciting stuff coming in the future. I'm building a forge motor again now, so expecting to make some pretty decent power. I expect that old head with the fucky valves and shit was probably a big factor holding back that engine. it always struggled to make power past a certain point, and I feel like those valves definitely didn't help. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. Leave a like if you did enjoy the video. Tell your friends about the channel. Thank you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.